How to add a promo code in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add a promo code, you can select to order any food from here. You can choose any restaurant or food that you like from here. For example, I'll choose to order some fast food right now. You can select any restaurant from here. I'll select Wendy's for now. Let's say if I had to order from Wendy's, I'll choose the food first. You can set all the details. Tap on this add to bag option. Once you are done with your orders, you can view the order. It will take you to the order page. In this page, you can see this add promo code option over here. Tap on it. Select this add promo code option. You can enter your promo code over here. After that, tap on apply, and the promo code will be added to your order. So that's it. That's how you can easily add promo code in your Grubhub orders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.